Yeah man, blessings yard family. Yeah man, open about another day. See, it's a blessing man. Yeah man, you know me already. Always up and about. When me in the bush, yeah man, I'm there on the road. You know me already. Stick around man, I'll show you all around. This is my backyard, this is my yard. Blessings every time man. One love, one heart. And stay safe for the Christmas. Blessings one and all. Yeah man, I want to say a special shout out to Life with Desiree. Yeah man, Empress always up and about and I tell a positive story. Yeah man, or a life story. Yeah man, so you can
Granulated sugar.
remember them and clean up the place, you know. Clean up the roadside, is it? Everybody up and about. Daddy. Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Long period that, man.
Yeah, man. Daddy and family, you know.
Yes, man. When you take over everything, that man.
Alright, yeah, man. Progress we dealing with, you know. Yeah, man. Stay strong, Daddy. I run go school, you know. So you know what go. Yeah, man. Daddy then dip on the road. The dog them out. Yeah, man. Country with you know. It's a blessing, yeah. So just stick around. I'll show you how I go on. One love, one heart. This is my community. Stick around. A lot more coming. Today is my last exam. Yeah, man. Woo. Give thanks to the Most High. Up and about another day. Yeah, man. Everybody around this side of them exam. You know me already. I'm late for exam today, but I done before most of my bridging them. Yeah, man. So them still I do them maths. And it never all that hard still, cause trust me, it didn't have me, you know. Yeah, man, I'm run go bush. So through run go hills, and that kind of hold me up and reach class late. But despite I reaching late, trust me, I just shave off that with ease. Yeah, man. So you know them boy they do it. Yeah, man. Chubby there. Yeah, man, I do the maths, you know. Chub done. Them are, you see me, daddy come. Know the energy, so stick around. Yeah, bro. It's not all that hard. One go for you, bro. Yo. Yeah, man. I don't know. I don't see him. I don't see him, man. I don't see Andre. Andre forward? Juice, man. In there? Proper. Yeah, man. So you know everybody there. See it. Burger man around the corner there. Everybody there. Just there and do the maths, you know. Keeping it real as usual. You know, exam, no biggie, shell it down with ease. Blessings, sir. Blessings. Yeah, man. Greetings. Yeah, man.
Man, them a plan to come look for you.
Me?
Tell them me not come nowhere.
Look for me for what? What do you think with that?
Yeah.
We got a bush brother come about now. You see me see? Andre, I do him little yeah man, for him bike. You see? Everybody there. You see me? Big step out see here. I do him at Sikoti there. You see me? The whole class there. Yeah man. From early. It's a blessing. Yeah man, Robert round the corner there, man. Burger man. Everybody there. Yeah. Boy, big. Boy, name too much. What big's ever there on the house, you know what big's already. It's a blessing. I'll show you what I'm going to see. Yeah man, sit down there.
You put none of the above part of playing him done. Oh boy, easy.
Yo, my brother, I see you about what I spread for me, but we all pass the exam, man. Trust me, it's a blessing. Yeah, man, come on here, I'll show you what I'm going to see. Country blessed. Why you believe me say country really blessed, you know? Yes, man. God, trust me. The roadside today, yeah, I'll show you how near it to the road. Whoa, big dada. Road. So you must know. Reed Road today. See pumpkin and beer all about the place. Yeah, man, right, listen. Lemon zest, yes. I'm gonna make a holy for nice. Oh, come in, Empress. She needs somebody tall.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Which one? This one? This one?
Anyone?
Anyone?
Yes.
Like Christmas time.
Thank you.
This Empress listens every time.
Responsible now, girl. Can't bite me. No, you bite. You, me now walk and bite people. No, you are something there. Yeah, brother. You don't like it. But let's enjoy it.
Let's do the next exam. Much field. Four teaspoons.
Oh. I was glad to do so many stuff. Come in the Mommy, I wonder how you cook while you work over the soup. Unless you have to clear off them. The one from Miss White. I want your cream of tartar.
Yes, we want that recipe. Because I said to half.
Alright, up and about another day.
Hi guys. So today I'm at school. I'm not coming to school with me today. I'm going to do some more practical and I'm want you. I'm not coming with me. Tired already and I'm going to start it.
So blessed.
Yeah, so guys, I'm going to do some baking today. You know, say all of them good something there. Yeah. I'm going to do Christmas cake. Yeah. You know, say a drunken cake that I'm going to do that today.
Right, it's a blessing. So you can just go over to Mom's channel, Life with Desiree. Yes. So, ladies, them
I'm sure said me supposed to be going before them and he never have my body all up in that, so me have to walk with
Well, I had heard from school and it's a blessing. Stick around, there's a lot more coming. Jody.
Peace out.
Right. Yay. Yeah, man, blessings, man. So stick around, this is yard, you know? Yeah, man, leave ladies them and do them work. Yeah, man, on the go. Yeah, man, blessings yard family. Yeah, man, open about another day. See, it's a blessing, man. Yeah, man, you know me already. Always up and about. But me in the bush, yeah, man. I'm there on the road. You know me already. Stick around, man. I'll show you all around. This is my backyard. This is my yard. Blessings every time, man. One love, one heart. And stay safe for the Christmas. We don't know near yard. We show you how far we there. We there at the mountain, man. And you know pine cone. You see it? And we under a pine tree. So come with me. Up the hill we go. That side. Yeah, man. And we actually get like a weather. So you know the background far more beautiful than now. And ever before.